continuing transition. This is where Israel takes what he does so well. Just a precise little angle crossing the kill. Follow the rhythm. And hold up. Good defending.
Don't you like when I talk about the other dogs, huh? Kiki's a good girl. Yeah. Do you like Kiki? You like Kiki, huh? But not Meaty. Is Meaty a good girl? Is Meaty a good girl?
Hi, baby. Watch the dog. Oh, he'll be need some love. He'll be need some love. And now baby time.
Hey, do you mind? Do you mind? Go on. Come on.
Yes! 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 You're okay. Be nice. Monsters.
What are you doing?
Is he gonna do it again?
You press the OK to shutter thing. Come on. For what?
He's gonna do it again. Sat right on him. Watch. He's gonna. He is so jealous. Why is he sitting on her though?
I don't know.
That's so funny. Samson, what are you doing?
Give me a kiss. Good boy, Max. Give me a kiss. Go on, you. Go on. Hey, Max. Man. Good boy, Max. Give me a kiss. Go on, you. Hey, Max.
They weigh as much as you're 3 years old. What? Oh, what?